First of all, Sir Mix,
Yes.
congratulations for this another show. Is this
Thank
your
you.
first serye talaga sa GMA?
First na regular, yes. Kasi before nag-guest ako sa GMA All Out Sunday, nag-guest na ako before sa Love from the Stars before, long time ago. So yeah.
So ito yung parang afternoon prime naman siya.
Yes, ito yung kumaga first talaga na part ako ng cast.
If you want to stay, meron pong preview later.
Since when ka nag-sign ng Sparkle?
I'm going on my second year already. Kasi lumipat ako dito, or sorry, not lumipat, but formally ako nag-sign. Kasi for the longest time, freelance actor ako. But most of my body of work is with, of course, with ABS, as I mentioned kanina, yung BL and etc. Pero pumirma ako sa Sparkle, GMA Co-Management, going on second year na ako this October.
Ano ka doon sa Sign for Stardom, right?
Yes.
How was it being a Kapuso for 2 years?
Definitely great. Kasi nung lumipat ako dito, as I told you kanina sa question, nung sinagot ko yung tanong, sabi ko, I only wanted two things. Number one, to be a host. And I've been blessed with so many hosting jobs with GMA, from Sparkle Spell to GMA Gala, nung red carpet nila, and other GMA events.
Yung ATM.
ATM, dapat alam mo. So I was very blessed with hosting, and more so, dinagdagan ko rin yung request ko was to be kontrabida. Kasi sa dami ng mga nagawa ko na in some way, from Viva to ABS to Anak, Best Friend, sabi ko, okay, parang kulang ako ng kontrabida. And I think siguro kumbaga parang baby steps muna tayo.
Yes.
Let's try muna na hybrid. Sanay ka mag-best friend, try natin mag-konting kontrabida. So I think yun. It's exciting.
Congratulations for that. Any dream role pa aside dun sa kontrabida na parang gusto mong sana ma-achieve mo?
Dream role? Meron actually. Genre. Meron ako isa actually. Napanood ko siya sa GMA. Yun yung isang, honestly, takot ako magbida. And the reason why is the pressure that comes with it. I don't think at this point in time, handa akong magbida, or it's a huge responsibility, a huge amount of pressure, and I don't know if I'm ready for that just yet. But kung meron akong dream role, napanood ko sa GTV before, Good Manager, sa Korean drama, and if ever i-adapt yun yung pangarap ko, maging ganun. Parang it's a fun blend of quirkiness and serious and drama. So, feeling ko pasok sa akin yung mga ganito, yung comedy drama, ganun.
Why not?
Yes.
Sa trailer kasi hindi pa talaga pinakita kung ano talagang role mo.
Yes.
So it's up to us kung ano yung magiging papel mo, no? Kasi parang sabi mo nga kanina, merong pwedeng abangan, and that's for sure. Ayan, any Kapuso stars pa na gusto mo maka-work sa isang serye na
Any
hindi mo pa
Kapuso stars
nakaka-work?
na gusto kong maka-work? Gusto kong maka-work, honestly, si Jeneline. I don't know why. There's something about her that I really wanted to work with her. I definitely want to work with her. Tapos, so I think I mentioned a girl. Ako si Heart kung active pa. Kasi si Heart ngayon is more
on lifestyle.
More on lifestyle na siya. So I don't know if she's still doing serye.
Hopefully.
But definitely for the girls yon. And then for the boys, sino ba mga pwede nating piliin? Siguro, kontrabida. Kung maging kontrabida ako. I would dream of being a kontrabida to any of the existing love teams.
Oh,
that I would love to play. I would love to play a role like that. Yung hindi mo wag mo biyan ng love team, pero willing ako manira ng love team.
Parang challenge yun sa isang actor, no? Yung parang kung effective ka ba talaga.
Yeah.
Actually. And yun na nga kasi si Jen, di ba? Nasa Aguila din siya. Same
Yes.
kayo ng, hopefully, no?
Hopefully.
Actually, she signed for renewal eh.
Yes, she did.
Then meron siyang,
Parang couple of weeks ago or last
she's
week.
doing a show with Dennis naman, and action naman yun. Ayun. Anyway, you're having a movie as well with Kim Cho and Paolo.
Yes, I am.
Can you talk about it? Anong role mo doon?
I cannot talk about my role sa Kim Pao movie, but I can tell you about the fact is na talagang tuloy na kami this coming March, and syempre marami diyang nag-chatter online and etc.
Naging big issue
siya. But siguro masasabi ko lang is it's not what they think. It's not that, because it's a lot of factors. Number one, partly it's because ang kwento lang naman sa akin, partly because it's really a lot of factors in the production side. So parang kung ano man yung sinasabi ng mga tao about it, it's not true. Kasi dami ng mga fans agad, di ba? Daming fans. Pero syempre, tinanong naman namin, partly, it's not just ABS working kasi they want an international
Worldwide.
release and partnership. And ABS put out a statement about it already na they're collaborating with people in the US and other junkets and etc. So, abangan nila. Yeah.
Pero yung playdate kasi talaga naging issue siya.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero yun na nga, na-answer naman na
Oo, yung actually, ang pinaka-accurate dyan yung statement ng ABS.
Star Cinema.
Yung Star Cinema.
Ito naman, how's it working with them? Siyempre, two of the big artists din siya in the showbiz now.
Honestly, masasagot ko dyan is, I love working with Kim very, very much. And in fact, sinabi ko yun sa kanya yung last day namin. Sabi ko, Kim, alam mo dati, pinapanood ko lang yung mga pelikula mo kasama na ex-girlfriend ko. Tapos, hindi ko akalain, hindi ko masasabi na, akalain mo makaka-arte kita. Tapos, tawa lang siya ng tawa. Totoo ba? Anong mga pelikula yun? Sabi ko, alam ko dati yung Bride for Rent. Meron pa akong pinanood dati na pelikula mo. Tapos, alam mo ba, Kim? Tapos kasi ganun din kami, nagtatawanan kami sa set. Sabi ko sa Kim, nakakatawa kasi dati, nagagalit pa yung girlfriend ko. Sabi ko, hindi mo ko tinatrato parang yun nandun sa pelikula. Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, kasi Kim, sinasagot ko yung girlfriend ko doon na. Sabi ko, kasi hindi naman tayo sponsored ng Star Cinema. Tapos natawa lang talaga siya. But she's a delightful girl to work with. As for Paolo, ang masasabi ko dyan, he's cool, but the thing is, hindi ko siya ganun nakaka-eksena kasi. More of si Kim ang nakakasama ko.
Para kasi nakikita mo siya sa limelight, parang ang seryoso niya, parang
tsaka, hindi, ito. Okay. Masasabi ko dyan ay, panoorin niyo yung pelikulang yun kasi nakakilig sila. Even not on cam, nakakakilig sila.
Ayun na nga yung sasabihin ko, off-cam din ba?
Oo, nakakilig talaga, sobra. Kahit kami lahat doon, minsan yung, gagano'n na kami. So, and hopefully, not hopefully, I know it by heart na yung kilig nila, it will translate. Kasi kahit kami, kinikilig kami.
Parang kumbaga, I'm parang mayroong box office din talaga sa material ninyo, no? Kasi nga, di ba, parang pinaghandaan daw.
Oo, tsaka pinaghandaan talaga. All out ang Star Cinema.
We're looking forward to it kasi ang dami ng black screening. Ang
talaga?
Wow, yes.
That's good.
60 plus na yata. And
I think it's a well-deserved blessing, both of them.
Yeah,
they're terrific duo.
Actually, talagang grabe din talaga. Invite everyone. Ito muna.
Siyempre, inimbitahan ko po lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na manood po kayo ng Binibining Marikit February 10 na po yan, 2:30 p.m. sa GMA Afternoon Prime.
Last question na lang, kasi Binibining Marikit, first slot siya ng Afternoon Prime.
Yeah.
Yung Afternoon Prime na yun, kapag first slot, Monday to Saturday, huge success talaga siya. Like, Half Sisters, Contessa, like yung Abot Kamay. May pressure ba na sana mahigitan din yun or maging more than 1 year din yung era?
Honestly, for us, I think wala pa kami sa ganung mindset. Sa amin, it's more of a mindset namin, not just me, not just the cast, but everyone na bubuo ng production na to. It's about giving the best and most entertaining program that all of our kapusos can watch at 2:30 p.m. Wala Monday, as you said, to Saturday. So, yun muna yung goal namin. Whether biyayaan kami ng taas, ng universe na mag-extend, I think, dun muna tayo sa unang hakbang. Which is, gumawa muna tayo ng magandang palabas, kung ma-extend, di ma-extend. Ganun muna kami.
Can I just say, iba talaga to. Kasi first ever ata to na rom-com na may drama.
Yes.
So, I can sense na.
Actually, abangan yun yung role ko doon. Pambasag trip ako doon.
Ayun, abangan natin, Migs. Thank you very